Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Measured Tones Institute of Quran with our very first, very long-term series, which is geared towards helping people who are not able to read Arabic to get to that point of being able to read Arabic specifically so that you can start to engage the Quran in the original language, the Arabic language. And so we'll be using the very famous Noorani Qa'ida book. And it's from this particular version here that you see this picture of, which can be found on Amazon if you want to purchase it. You can find it on Amazon for about $8 to $10, no more than 15 if any of the other ones are out of stock. And you can use a Google search to look for it. So just put in Amazon, Noorani Qa'ida for sale, right? Or Amazon, but just make sure that the Amazon link is not like Amazon.uk or .in or something that's not, .com, because .com is just going to be generally US. You don't want to be buying something from the UK and shipping it all the way over here. It might take longer, I don't know. So just make sure that the link is .com and not .uk or .something other than com. All right. So this is the version that we're going to be using, and I just have some screenshots, and let's get started right away. The first letter we have right here is called Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. One more time. Alif. And that is like you're saying A-L-I-F. Alif. Alif. You'll hear some people say Alif, Alif, but the correct pronunciation is Alif. Go to the next letter here. Ba. Repeat after me again. Ba. And one more time. Ba. Like the B sound. Next letter. This next one is like the T sound in English, but without the thrust of air, like t, t, right? So we're going to say ta. Notice I'm not saying ta, ta, but it's a more clean pronunciation. Ta. Repeat after me again. Ta. And one more time. Ta. Next letter. This one is like the TH of like three, throw, throat. All right. Tha. 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 So it'd be like it's T-H-A-A again, but it's the TH of three, throw, throat, etc. All right, next letter. Jeem. Now that last sound is like an M. J-E-E-M. Jeem. Jeem. One more time. Repeat after me. Jeem. Okay, next letter. Now this one will take a little bit of effort. It's like an H sound, but a very sharp H sound from the middle of the throat. We'll talk about the points of articulation in another video, inshallah. This one is ha. Again, ha. Notice I'm not saying ha, ha, like in high, he, hit, home, so on and so forth, but it's ha, 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 ha. Very sharp H sound. If you're not familiar with this one, it will take a little while to get used to pronouncing this one. So don't stress out over it right away. Over time you'll get used to it, inshallah. Next letter. Kha. So this is like you're clearing your throat almost with an AW sound after it. All. So like kha as opposed to kha or ka or qa, right? We don't want to mix it up with other letters. Kha. One more time. Kha. So this is a heavy letter. I have a video about heavy letters and light letters and the difference between the two as well. I'll throw a link in the video to that so you can go over that, inshallah. Next letter. Dal. So this is like the D. D as in dad, dome, done. Right? So this letter is pronounced dal. And that last sound is like an L, like D-A-A-L. Dal. Dal. Next letter. Thal. So this is the other TH sound, right? The one right above it is a th, three, throw, throat, so on, right? That TH sound. This one has another TH sound, our other TH sound, which is like the, that, these, those, they, them, their, etc. Thal. Thal. Also that last letter sound is like the L. Thal. Alright, next letter. Final. Now this one is like an R sound, as it like, think of R-A-W, like raw, but with just one roll, right? Raw. Again, raw. One more time, raw. Notice I'm not rolling excessively like raw, raw, right? In Quranic Arabic, when reciting the Quran, you're not allowed to roll it that many times. Now, spoken Arabic, you can roll it as many times as you want, so long as the person kind of gets the idea of what you're trying to say. But in Quranic recitation, we're not allowed to roll it excessively. So just like one nice roll, raw, and that's it. Okay. All right, in this second part, I'll just have you repeat after me 2 times only instead of 3 times. And then in the last section, repeat after me 1 time, and then we'll be done, inshallah. So, alif. Alif. Next letter. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha. Jim. Jim. Ha. Ha. Kha. Kha. Dal. Dal. Dhal. Dhal. Ra. Ra. Alif. Ba. Ta. Tha. Jim. Ha. Kha. Dal. Dhal. Ra. Okay, so Jazakumullahu khaira. This is the end of this first lesson. Keep in mind, I'm breaking it up into parts so as to make it easily digestible. A lot of videos are out there. They're 30 minutes long, 40 minutes long, 15, 20, or not 15, like 20 minutes, 25 minutes long. And I just felt like, that's a lot. So I came up with this series to give sort of bite sizes. So here we have 10 letters, and you can use maybe the next either anywhere from a few days to a week, whatever, you know, you can go at your own pace, which is the beauty of this whole thing. Jazakumullahu khairah for watching. If you found this beneficial, share it with other people who you think may benefit from it. I'm talking new converts, people who've been Muslim perhaps their whole lives but haven't had access to it, so maybe don't know how to read or can't read very well, need to improve. Children, right? If you have your kids that you want to teach how to read, have them go over this video as well. Comment, you know, give me suggestions. How can I improve it? Did you benefit? Did you not? Why? Subscribe, you know, so on and so forth. Like the video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Until next time.